So if I'm not mistaken, the trusty old way of making popcorn at home is to put a pot on the stove, put some oil in it, then add the popcorn in the oil, and when the oil gets really hot, the popcorn starts popping, and then you must just take it off in time before the popcorn burns, because it burns really easily and quickly. Just when it sounds like, now they're popping nicely, they start to burn. Anyway, once you know the trick, they usually come out fine. You add you sprinkle your salt or spices or, well, not spices, but flavoring sprinkle, and it's really delicious. But have you ever noticed after eating that you don't feel so well? And I believe it's because of the oil. If the popcorn has been popped in oil, you soon feel a little, I don't know if it's shaky or just, I don't know, not good from eating all that cooking oil. Well, is there a way to make it without the oil? Yes, there is. For that you need a hot air wind popper. Let me show you what they look like. This is the most common model I've seen that's being used mostly now. There's the switch. What you do is, here's a little cup, you put your popcorn in there, pour it into the machine, and then there it has sort of like a, what shall we call it, a cylinder that, well, it looks like it should spin like a turbine, but it doesn't spin. Instead what it does is it blows hot air, that the hot air spin, and the air heats up the popcorn, and once they pop, the air blows them right out of the machine, hopefully into your bowl. And the popcorn is delicious and perfect, and it basically never burns. Warning though, while I'm thinking of it, should your electricity ever go off while you're making popcorn in this, immediately throw out all the contents. Do not leave hot popcorn in there, because it'll burn out your machine. Yes, it's just too hot. The things are meant to be spinning in there and being blown by air. And if the air stops and you have really boiling hot popcorn in there, it is going to burn out your machine, and it probably won't start up next time you try to start it. Okay, of course, now we're gonna try it. Let's just assemble it again. There we go. We'll put our bowl there. This bowl is a little too small actually. We might not catch all the popcorn. You need a really big bowl, but anyway. So this is the measuring cup that comes with the machine. Let's just scoop up some popcorn. Yeah, just a little bit. Don't overfeed the machine, because this is really gonna make a lot. Oh, great. So, let us just place this on there, and we'll tip it over when the machine starts. So let's start the machine. And we put the popcorn in there. There we go. And momentarily they're gonna start being flung out by the hot air. So we need to catch them. The first few ones that come out will be unpopped kernels, because as the popcorn starts popping, it usually sends a few kernels flying out, but don't worry, it won't be too many, and then the actual popcorn will start pouring out of the machine. So I should have timed this. How long does it take to actually come out? There it starts popping now. Okay, there are the few kernels. And now the popcorn will start momentarily. There it starts coming now. Yeah, okay. Okay, it seems that's basically all of them. Look at them. Beautiful. Beautiful oil-free popped popcorn. Absolutely delicious. Now the only problem you might find with hot air popped popcorn is that since they're not greasy or oily, you will find that the salt or the flavoring doesn't really stick to it if you add flavoring. So what I do usually is, if I put like cheese sprinkle or food flavoring or whatever on there, it'll all fall to the bottom of the bowl, and then once I've finished all the popcorn, I just put it into another little bowl again and close it up and use it next time, otherwise you're really just gonna waste it. Yeah, so here's some cheese sprinkle, cheese and salt sprinkle. I shake it, but not too much. And then if I'm lucky, I might get a whiff of the flavoring when I eat this. Won't be a lot of flavoring because it just falls through to the bottom. And that's why I don't want to shake it too excessively. But overall, really good. Perfectly popped. Alrighty, I believe I'll finish some more popcorn throughout the day. I'll munch on it as I work. But now, what I need you to do is to please hit the like button for this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, why not? Please do subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time when we talk about something else that's cool. Later!